Good evening, this is Richard, creator of House Husband Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Moscow Mule. Moscow Mule, what you need is vodka, ginger beer, any kind, any brand, okay, ginger beer is fine, and lime juice, fresh lime juice. You can squeeze the fresh lime. Since I don't have, I'm just going to use the bottle juice, okay? And you are going to need a few mint and cucumber. And the most importantly, Moscow Mule has to be in the copper cup, okay? So what you need to do is, did I tell you that I'm going to put raspberry also? Okay, so you know that cocktail mixture, you put a little bit of crushed ice and 4 slices of, let me show you here, okay? The cup, 4 slices of cucumber, okay? A few mint leaf, yeah. Nothing go wrong if you put more, okay? Few mint leaf, and I think I'm going to put about 10 pieces of raspberry, and 2 ounces of vodka, this is 2 ounces of vodka, and 1 ounce of lime, okay? And what you need you need to make it mushy first, okay? Here, make it mushy, not too mushy, okay? Just make it like, if you put in the blender too mushy, okay, that's not good. That's what I'm using here, okay? And you put it in the cup, copper cup, and you will add 4 ounces of ginger beer. Honey, come here, this for you.
Yes, thank you.
Some people would like to put more sweetness, so you can put simple syrup, okay? But no need to. We don't really like sugars, and you garnish with, yeah. Honey, come. You taste it, it's nice or not?
It's good.
Okay, it's for my wife. She is the boss. Okay, now I'm going to show you one more time. It's for myself. A little bit of ice cube there. Okay, and 4 slices of cucumber. Okay, and about 10 pieces of raspberry. Okay, and a few mint leaf. And 2 ounces of vodka. 1 ounce of lime. Okay, and mush it. Okay, and put it in my mug, copper mug. And finally, put 4 ounces of ginger beer. Again, if you want sweetness, you can add simple syrup. Simple syrup is not a complicated thing to make. You know, simple syrups is really simple syrup. Just sugar and water. You know, you mix it. That was simple syrup. That's it. Okay. And I'll garnish with yummy. Very nice. Very beautiful. You make it for your friend, invite your friend at your backyard. Cheers, buddy. Cheers. Hope you guys are here. Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.